I know I'm not the only one frustrated with this change to the camera on the iPhone. Used to be that you would hold the shutter button when you're taking a photo and it would do burst mode. It would take a whole bunch of pictures until you let off the button. Now, when you hold the shutter button when you're taking a photo, it does a video. However, there is a way to do burst mode, and I'm going to show you how to do this on my iPhone. But before I show that to you, if this YouTube channel is of interest and useful to you, subscribe to it. There's more videos coming that hopefully will be helpful for you. If you like this one video, hit the like button so I know you got it. And if you have any question, comment. Ask me any question. I promise I'll answer it. I'm going to switch to my iPhone and show you how to do this. So on the iPhone, bring up the camera. And as I said, if you hold the shutter button now, you can see it's doing a video. And I don't want to do a video. I want to do burst mode. So how do we do that? The way we do that today on the iPhone is you drag the shutter button to the left. It does burst mode. Let off. And I just took on burst mode. You can see 39 images in burst mode. They're all in here. If I click on burst 39 up top, there's all those images that I took just using burst mode, and it would be absolutely fabulous if something was going on out there. But bottom line, this is how it works. iPhone, you hold the shutter button, it does a video. Drag the shutter button to the left, it does burst mode. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about helping you overcome the risks and fears and getting more value out of your technology, and I hope this is helpful for you.